In this video you will learn how to create policies. You go to inventory and policies. We talk about payment policy and cancellation. Especially we talk about cancellation policies. You have a set of predetermined cancellation policies already in the system, and now what we want to go to do is to go to add rule, and then you say non-refundable. That's a regular, it's not a no-show. Cancellation time 0 hours before end of arrival date. Full stay, it applies, that's 100%. Cancellation made prior to 0 AM hour on arrival, they are free of charge. For cancellation made beyond this time, there will be a cancellation fee of 100%. So that means this is a non-cancelable, non-refundable. So that's the one we have created. And we find it here, non-refundable. That's the ID of it. This means if you go to product rate plans, you go here inside the rooms, and then you go to policies, and then you can select the policy you have created, non-refundable. You have this one, not cancelable, and then you have non-refundable, that's the one that we have just created. That's the one. And then you see it's been selected and a new update. So that's how it works, the policies and the cancellation rules. You can see here a full list of the cancellation rules existing and the new ones that you will create.